Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In this video, we're tying the Mandala sinnet paracord bracelet. Besides tying bracelets, you can use the same technique of stacking mandala knots to craft other items as well. So here as an example is a rather nice looking lanyard for a knife. To tie my bracelet, I'm using 7 feet of paracord, scissors, and a lighter. We start tying in the middle of our cord, tying our first mandala knot. Once you've tied your first knot, reduce the size of your loop so that it barely fits the stopper knot that you're using. In our case, the lanyard knot. With your first knot done, line up a bunch more, creating a sinnet. So again, a mandala knot. Note that I'm gradually tightening up my knot, removing as much slack as I can. So, the second knot. Let's do one more for good measure. Once you've tied a length sufficient for your bracelet, it's time to finish up the two ends with a stopper knot. In our case, the knife lanyard knot. When tied, tighten up your knife lanyard knot a nice distance away here from our mandala knots. So let's say 3/4 of an inch, something like that. So I pull in a bit of this slack here, run the slack through the knot, into one of the ends. I repeat with the other strand, pulling it into my knot, running the slack through, like this. So we have a nice looking knot. We finish up by trimming our ends. You can trim right next to your lanyard knot or a bit further away. So guys, that's our mandala knot paracord bracelet. I would like to sincerely thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you in my future videos as well.